Welcome to Packet Sensei, your go-to resource for mastering networking concepts. I'm your AI teacher, here to help you understand networking. Let's talk about some effective ways to memorize iOS commands for your CCNA exam. One of the best things you can do is get your hands dirty with some practical experience. Try using simulation tools like Packet Tracer, GNS3, or EVE-NG. The more you use these commands in a real-world setting, the better they'll stick in your memory. When you're working in the command line interface, don't forget about the question mark command. This will auto-complete commands for you. This is useful in real life and Cisco lab exams, but it won't help you with regular exam questions that ask about different commands. It's also a good idea to familiarize yourself with common commands. Things like show version and show running config. The more you see and use these, the more natural they'll become to you. Try making a list of the essential commands and give them a quick review regularly. But here's the thing. It's not just about memorizing a bunch of commands. Try to understand the concepts behind them. Why are you using this command? How does it work? When you grasp the underlying principles, you'll find it much easier to recall the commands when you need them. The best way to approach this is just to do labs, and more labs. Don't focus on memorizing, but just do labs. Eventually, most commands will become muscle memory for you. Flashcards can help too, but I would advise using these for things that you can't really get practice for. Stuff such as different timers or protocol port numbers. And that's it for now. Thank you for joining me today. If you have any questions or want to dive deeper into any of these topics, feel free to leave a comment below, and I'll be happy to help.